Welcome to this tutorial on adjusting empty space between columns within the WordPress blocks editor. In this guide, you will learn how to easily modify the spacing of your page layout for a cleaner and more organized design. We begin by directing you to access the WordPress website. Open your web browser and navigate to WordPress, where you will begin the process of logging into your account. Once you have arrived on the WordPress homepage, look for the login option located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login option to proceed. This simple action will bring you to the sign in page, where you are prompted to authenticate your account. Here you should see the option to continue with your preferred method, such as logging in with Google. Select the option labeled Continue with Google and then choose the account you wish to use for accessing WordPress. Your choice will allow WordPress to securely authenticate your credentials using your Google account, streamlining the sign-in process. With your account successfully logged in, you can now access the main dashboard, where the Quick Links section is prominently displayed. Within the Quick Links section, you will find an option marked Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editor environment, which is designed for customizing the layout and style of your pages. Once you are in the site editor, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you will notice an icon representing styles. Clicking on this icon will allow you to open the Styles panel, where various customization options are available. After opening the Styles panel, navigate to the Blocks section. Blocks refers to the individual content elements that make up your page layout. Within this section, locate the Columns option, which will let you adjust column settings specifically. Selecting columns will present you with additional customization tools geared towards managing the structure and spacing of your content columns. Upon selecting columns, focus on the dimensions area that appears next. This area gives you detailed control over the layout measurements, including the spacing between your columns. It is here that you need to pay careful attention to the setting labeled block spacing. Adjusting the block spacing setting will either add or remove the empty space between your columns, allowing you to achieve the precise look you desire for your website layout. Take your time to fine-tune the block spacing as needed. You may increase the spacing to create a more open design, or reduce it for a more compact appearance, depending on your overall design goals. Each adjustment will update the visual layout of your page, offering you immediate feedback on how your changes affect the overall presentation. With these steps, you have successfully learned how to alter the empty space between columns using the WordPress blocks editor. Enjoy the flexibility and control this process offers, and watch your website layout transform with ease.